What's up guys, back here with another tech review. Today I got the GoPro 7 Black. In this video I'm going to unbox it and tell you what I think about it, do a little review about it. So yeah, let's get right into it. So it's normal GoPro box, tells you what GoPro you got. Hyper smooth gimbal-like stabilization, tells you what you get in the box, tells you about their app, and then tells you some more features of the GoPro. So, let's get right into it. Put this aside. Alright, so here it is. If you are not familiar with GoPros and how to take them off, it tells you how to do it right here, but all you do is pull up that flap and unclip it just like that. Also, I would strongly recommend to just take this black plastic piece off and put it with your GoPro accessories, because this could be used for pretty much anything. Now let's get into the rest of this stuff. Alright, so the most important part of the whole unboxing, the best part of the whole entire GoPro package, the best thing you get in the box, the stickers. Don't you guys love the GoPro stickers? I absolutely love these things. I have them on my computer, as you can see right there. I have them on my bike. I mean, I have them like everywhere. Anyways, put that aside. So you get a curved adhesive mount, a flat adhesive mount, USB-C to charge it or to transfer media, and the battery. And that's pretty much that's all that's in there. Alright, so this is all you get in the box right there. That's it. That's all you get. GoPro, some mounts, charging cable, and battery. Speaking of charging cable, you can connect this to your computer to transfer media. If you go into the QuickTime app on your computer, you can transfer media, or you can update your camera, as easy as that. Super simple. I'm not going to be using this battery because this battery is probably dead, so we'll put that aside along with all the other stuff. Let's get into what you clicked on this video for. The frame, I got the GoPro 6 Black. The frame, I don't see any differences. It looks almost identical besides the Black 7 logo. But other than that, the frame of it is almost identical. If you have a 5 or 6, you can use the same frames. It's like literally identical. Alright, here we go. Let's put the frame aside. Here's 7 Black. Take this little thing off. Alright, check that out. I believe the screen on this is the same screen size, I believe. But look at that. Let's take this out of the cage too. So this is my 7 Black. They are almost identical besides the color. All the buttons are the same. Mic placements are the same. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much the same. Besides the color of it and Black 7. Amazing. Texture is different also. It has this smooth kind of rubber texture. And then this has that like grippy. It's almost slippery rubber. And this is more grip. But I'm fine with that. Alright, so I got a battery right here. It's about at like 50%. Oh, yeah. All the, they're all in the same places. You got USB-C, HDMI, and then this, you got your SD. Speaking of SD, let's pop an SD card in there. And then you got your, where you put your GoPro battery. Pop it in like that. Power it up. By the way, the power button is on the right side. And record button is on the top. Check that out. Battery has 27%, but that's okay because we're not going to use it. So what's new about the 7 that the 6 does not have? We have time warp video for stabilized motion time lapse or hyperlapse. So that's a cool feature that I'm excited to check out. We also have super photo for in-camera photo enhancement, 960p video resolution short clips, which are 15 to 30 second clips that are more convenient to share on social media. We also have portrait orientation, so you can record like this and it'll flip. And we also have live streaming, as you can see on the box. Live streaming right there. Live streaming, you can live stream Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all the main social media apps. So this GoPro is more for like if you're really involved in social media. GoPro 6, it doesn't have all these social media features as the 7 does. So what's improved? Hyper smooth, significantly better in-body stabilization. You can now use that stabilization, hyper smooth, at 4K 60, which is amazing. Faster video frame rates available at more resolutions, tweaked menu system, all that good stuff. Now, what's not good about this, it overheats sometimes. Well, it doesn't really overheat, but the body, you can feel that it gets warm to the touch. And I think that's because of hyper smooth along with the 4K, you're using hyper smooth with 4K. That's putting a lot onto this little camera, you know what I mean? But it doesn't affect the camera at all. It just heats up a little bit, but as far as I know, it doesn't just shut off and all the stuff you don't want it to happen. Also, battery life is just a little bit down. Went just a little bit down, and I think a lot. Again, I think that's because of hyper smooth, the 4K. It's gonna take a lot off these batteries. You know what I mean? And that's why I think the GoPro 8 updated their camera batteries for that reason. You can shoot 12 megapixel photos, 4K all the way up to 60, 2.7 all the way up to 120, 1080 all the way up to 240, and 720 all the way up to 240 as well. You have liner, super view, wide. So yeah, I think this would be a very strong update if you was coming from a 5 or 6 or even a 4 or a session. Definitely worth an upgrade. Let me talk about the 8. So I don't know if I'm gonna buy the 8 just because I don't know if I like it as much. And that's because the mounting system on the bottom is flimsy, and having a cage for it is just so much stronger. Like, that's like no wiggle at all. But on the 8, being that it's just on the camera, it's gonna wiggle, and many people complain about that. I think that's why they had to update their hyper smooth to hyper smooth 2.0s, because all that shakiness that's gonna be happening. Also, the batteries are different. Now, you can still use 5, 6, and 7 batteries, but if you put it in the 8, it will say, hey, this battery can work, but you're not going to get as much use out of it if you have the 8 battery. So yeah, I just strongly recommend to just get the 7 and not the 8. But anyways, in the menu, in the home screen or whatever, you swipe up to go to your media, you swipe down to go to your settings and all that good stuff. You can swipe you can just swipe to go to different camera settings, which is super fast. Instead of having to push a button, go to this little magnifying glass, you can zoom in, and this, like I said, you have 15, 30, so you can shoot like 15-second clips. Like if I click 15, it's gonna only film for 15 seconds, and as you see where the progress is at. And that's so if you're putting it on Instagram stories. Instagram stories is like 30 seconds long or whatever. So, and it beeps to let you know that it's done. On the top left, you have your SD card status. On the top right, you have your battery status, which mine's at 19%. Yikes. Anyways, so yeah, super cool. Live streaming, I don't know if I'm going to be using that, just because I don't live stream to any platform, actually. But that would be super cool. I might actually try that one day, maybe pop it on a helmet, go go-karting, whatever. I might do that. That's the review of the GoPro 7 Black. If I didn't cover something that you wanted to know, just leave it down in the comments down below, and I will reply to y'all's questions and answer them about the GoPro 7 Black. Also, if you want a video test of this, maybe versus the 6, let me know in the comments down below, and I will be sure to do that for you guys. But yeah, that was the GoPro 7 Black. Super cool camera. Highly recommend it. Anyways, that was this video. I believe I covered everything, but like I said, if I didn't, just let me know in the comments down below, and I will reply to y'all's questions. Anyways, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and share this video to anyone you know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.